We're going bye-byes, we're going out, yeah. Hey everyone, my name's Amanda. I'm kinda new here. If this is your first, second, third time stopping by, well, you're kinda new here too, so thanks for swinging by. So, my husband and I are going out of town. So, the yay part is we rarely ever go out of town together. He's out of town a lot for work, and I hang out with my dog. He's awesome. See? He's cute, too. Yeah. I kind of love the puppy. So, what am I going to pack in my, adios, my good night, my overnight? I know what I mean. In my bag to, go on a trip. Our daughter is in Hamlet tonight, and so we're gonna go see her, and it's about an hour and a half away, and I said, I want to go somewhere, and he went, okay. I thought it would be kind of a fun video while I pack my stuff, is I have this Cosmetics travel kit dealie of brushes. I'm not going to use them right now. But it has an eyebrow brush, a crease brush, an eyeshadow, like a smudge brush, and it says all over shadow brush, but I know what I'll use it for, maybe. And it has a powder brush and a foundation brush. I probably won't use the foundation brush, I'm not gonna lie. But, because I'm a sponge kind of gal. So, I thought, why not do my makeup like I'm going somewhere, like I'm out of town, and show you what I'm packing. So here we go. So I am bringing a moisturizer, but what I chose, because it's just one less thing to pack, is to have the CC cream. This has pretty much all in one. It is a moisturizer, it is a primer, it is a sunscreen, it does it all. So what I'm going to do is just on the back of my hand, 1 squirt of the illumination, 1 squirt of the regular, and take a sponge and mix that bad boy up and dot it over your face. Next, I'm going to go in with my concealer. I have a teeny tiny Bye Bye Under Eye, so we're going to use it. And all I'm going to do, I'm not going to color correct or anything. Yeah, this is all I use on my finger. Can you see it? It's teeny, it's tiny, and it's enough for 2 eyes. So, bam. So what I'm going to do is my eyebrows, I am using a pencil from Winky Lux. This is one of those, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a triangle. I figure it's good enough to fill in, and so, and I'm bringing my Emily Edit palette, so I'm just going to use that to, for the mirror. Now, since this has a spoolie on it, and this has a spoolie on it, it's an eyebrow pen brush, I should be okay. But I'm going to use my eyebrow brush because that is not quite dark enough, but it is waxy. So I'm going to brush it through, and I'm going to go in with the Emily palette in this, I will get it, in that color, Hope. I believe it's that color, I can't really see. But I think I'm going to go in with Hope and also fill in my brows a little bit. I like to have a little bit of hold in my brow, so I'm going to use my e.l.f. eyebrow clear mascara thing. Now, one side says mascara, the other side says eyebrows, and I say, whatever. They're both the same. Because this is also My eyeshadow palette, seriously, this is the easiest thing in the world. This has everything I need. This is the Emily Edit Needs palette. So what I'm going to do is actually take a little bit of eyeshadow primer. This one is from Ulta. It's going to go in my Ziploc full of little stuff. Or an Ipsy bag. Because, good lord, I have enough of those. So my eyes are primed with the Ulta Nude Matte because I have a lot of that left in the container. And I have a lot of that left in the container. So we're going to use it. I am going to take a crease brush and lay down Love, though it's pretty much the same color as Kindness. Now I look at it, it might be a little different, but I'm going to use it as my blending shade, you know, and highlight underneath my brows a little bit. Peace would also work for that, but Peace is going in my eyes as a transition color because it's a little darker and it's a little peacher. So I'm going to go in today with the color Faith right here to build up my crease. Okay, so my crease is built up. I'm going to also put a little bit of Hope. It's the color I used in my brows in my outer corner. And because I'm wearing a plummy color, I think I'm going to go into the color Passion, which is this color right here, and put that on my lid. Okay, I went a little heavy with the color Hope or Passion, but I like how it turned out. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and contour with the color Courage. If you're not familiar with Courage, it's that one right there. I'm going to go in with the color Joy, which is the blush color here, and use that. And then I will highlight with Gratitude. I'm probably not going to remember to bring a highlighting brush, but I might. And if I do, I will highlight with Gratitude right here. And that, along with the setting spray, I'll probably bring my all-nighter because, well, that's what I have in my hand. I'm going to finish it off with a lip gloss from L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss because that makes sense. That is what I'm bringing on my overnight trip. So if you guys like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, you know, all that jazz. Alright, bye!